Hi, if you're planning to learn database in 2025, you actually don't need to push yourself a lot because there are some tools that are available in 2025. You can use them to build your database. It's actually tools where you can use it and can convert it to any database. Like here's a sample I have showed you. I have made it for you just to tell you how it look like, and you can see how you can feel it. I have make a simple bank type of database for entries, accounts, and transfers. So after that, you can see after that I can import in from MySQL, from PostgreSQL, and the SQL Server. You can actually use it to develop a database, and then you can convert it to whatever database you want to use. So I use that dbdiagram.io because we are not actually a database engineer. We're working with Golang, but we sometimes have to work with database due to some requirement of the company. So have to work with database in CDC, like creating triggers or stuff like that. So that's why you actually use it. So I will prefer you to use dbdiagram.io in 2025. Don't push yourself to learn Postgres. But if you're a beginner, you would have to learn some basic structures, and you can find a lot of videos on YouTube how actually dbdiagram.io work. And after that, you just simply have to design your database and convert it on like whatever platform you want to convert is available. You don't actually need to upgrade in db.io. You don't need to buy their premium version. If you are planning to work in the Postgres and SQL, just learn that and you can actually see what it's looking like. After that, you just have to convert it to the your preferred database. And this is something that I worked with. This is my personal experience with it. So if you think this is something that can help you achieve your goal, do let me know. And I think just that's enough for today. And thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.